Welcome to a new Draw With Me video. In this video I'm going to show you real time how to make a pattern with the restriction of having only 5 minutes to draw. We'll see. We're gonna set a timer. 5 minutes, start. And we're gonna make a pattern. I use a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas and I'm gonna pick a color of my liking. I'm going for pink, I guess. We'll set our canvas to drawing guide, symmetry, and let's go. So I have no idea what I'm gonna draw, but we're keeping it easy this time. So we're gonna maybe have a flower. Whoa, that's not what I'm looking for. Maybe something like this. So if you're struggling with perfectionism, this may be a very difficult or a very good exercise to do. Because we only have 5 minutes. And there's 4 left, right? So I use symmetry to easily fill this canvas. We're going to check the corners because we're going to drag the canvas to the left. We duplicated the canvas, the other one to the right, and merge them together. I think we'll duplicate them again to drag them to the top and to the bottom. And here we can group them, erase the middle part. This is for the corners. And here we're gonna have another flower. It's not even a flower. What is this? I feel the pressure myself, but I think it's a good exercise to just let it go and create something. And just let go of all these thoughts about how it should look like. Or how ugly it will be. Oh, I'm not sure how much time we have left, but no. Yeah, I love these things. Maybe have them on the big flower as well. So I can see here's a gap. And you can easily use whatever kind of shape you love. It's not really about what kind of shape you're using, but we're gonna duplicate again to have the large flower in the center of the canvas. No, I cannot make those. Well, I still can, I see. Because I wanted this to be connected to the flower, right? I'm not sure how this will turn out, but we'll see. Some other gaps maybe here. Let's see if I don't know how much time we have left, but we're gonna duplicate this 4 times. Deselect our backup layer to make sure we can come back to that layer if we don't like what we changed about it. Drag the layers to the center. And here is our pattern. It already looks nice though. As you can see, there are some gaps maybe here. So we can change that if we would like to All right, 5 minutes are up. So we did it. We created a layer. I feel like this exercise is not about create something that is like the end result, but more of like an exercise to keep you going or get you started. And now, since we already have this within 5 minutes, imagine what you can make like within an hour maybe. So now I can choose to work further on this project or start another pattern design and have another 5 minutes to go with it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.